What can making a few clicks on your phone or PC amount to? Can you believe you can make $1,000 of cool money with the websites that I'll be showing you? Sounds too sweet to be true, but trust me, that's the reality, and I'll show everything I know to help you earn with this method. Technology is more powerful today that even the things you never thought could be done can be accomplished with much ease. Even more promising is the sector of online money making, which is exploding day by day with innovations. The websites I'm going to share with you today are absolutely free to join. They are available around the world, so you can make money wherever you are without having to worry about the geographical location, and you can easily get started even with no skills and no experience. So be sure to watch this video till the end so as not to miss a step. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Working a tiresome 9-to-5 job that you hate, Monday to Friday just to pay bills, is now becoming old-fashioned even as a majority of youths embrace technology to make income. As long as you can get access to a computer or smartphone and internet access, you can just make a huge amount of money in the comfort of your home. Just about anyone who is committed can start making money right now by just following the steps I'm about to share in this video. Now, let's get started with our first website, which can help you to earn money online. This website is called earnably.com. The first thing that attracts you when you visit the earnably.com website is its tagline, which reads, "Digital rewards and gift cards made easy." This means that you can easily earn instant rewards by simply completing tasks, watching videos, as well as participating in surveys. What a cool way to earn money while you entertain yourself with some videos. And yes, that's exactly what earnably.com does. Now, I want you to scroll down the page, and you can see that Earnably pays members in form of gift cards or instant cash whenever they complete a task, watch a video, or answer surveys. The earnings are presented in form of points that you can redeem for instant cash rewards and withdraw with your chosen cash-out method. Or you can redeem the points for gift cards from your favorite online brands and retailers to make purchases. However, if you love cryptos as your favorite mode of receiving payments, this website guarantees to offer you wallet codes in your chosen cryptos. So as you can see, there is something for everyone. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. By now, I know you're eager to sign up to this website and start earning. But there is one limitation of this website which I want to bring to your attention, and that's the fact that this website does not work for all countries. It's only available to select countries in the world. If you want to know if your country is supported, simply click on the green sign up button at the top of the homepage. If your country is not supported, it will give you a warning at the top and you won't proceed anymore. If your country is supported, it will redirect you to the registration form to allow you to sign up. I know that sounds quite unfair to some of you, but don't just frown yet. I have a solution here for you. Now, to get rid of that unsupported country message and access this website stress-free, even in a restricted country, you need to download a virtual private network or VPN. Though there are several VPN available free to use, I prefer using Proton VPN because it's one of the most popular VPN available. However, if you have a VPN in mind, which works best for you, you're free to go with that. Besides earning by completing tasks, surveys, and watching videos, earnably.com also allows users to earn through their referral program. This is a cool way to earn, considering that you only need to get the referral link from Earnably, and you can easily share it with your friends and family. And at any one time, someone uses your referral link to join Earnably, you get paid a 10% cut of their earnings for as long as the website exists. Isn't that a passive income source? I thought you should know. If you liked the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. The second website that you can use to start earning money is picoworkers.com. When you visit their website, the first thing you see is their tagline and a little description of what this website does. From the description, you can clearly learn that PicoWorkers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy-to-do affordable tasks. I know you're probably wondering whether this is true, especially considering that they are promising to pay well for just simple gigs completed. Well, no need to worry. You only need to check out at Freelance and Earn menu to get a little inspiration. Clicking on Freelance and Earn lets you preview the most recent workers who completed a task and their overall performance on the website. This list is updated in real time, and you can see earnings on the completed task and their total earnings on the website, as well as the latest requested withdrawals. And as you can see, people are making money on this website. We have those who have earned thousands of dollars on this website just doing those simple tasks. And the good thing about this website, as you can see from the recent withdrawal table, is that it offers several withdrawal methods, including PayPal, Skrill, direct-to-bank, and even cryptocurrency, among others. However, I would encourage you to stick to PayPal because it's the most convenient payment method that's recognized around the world. So, if that's enough inspiration to get you the urge to want to join, here are the steps. Simply scroll to the top of the Freelance and Earn page and click on the Sign Up button to get started. This opens up a sign-up form to allow you to register at picoworkers.com and become a freelancer. Just fill in your details by entering your name, email address, and password, and then add a nickname which will be displayed on your profile below the form. Select your profile type by choosing on a worker. Then check the box below to agree to PicoWorkers' Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Complete the registration process by clicking the green Sign Up button. Once you successfully sign up, you become part of the PicoWorkers freelancers and can now start pursuing those simple gigs and earn really good money. The third and last website I want you to know today is called streetpeas.com. This website uses artificial intelligence to analyze human life and capture real-life moments through people's own words. That means that as a freelancer on StreetBees, you'll earn money by simply responding to questions about what you're up to. The reason why this website is appealing to many people is that it is convenient and can work even on a mobile phone, both Android and iOS. This website is trusted by major brands like Unilever, PepsiCo, and Sony, among many more, because it helps these brands to fully understand the changing consumer behavior, especially when it comes to expenditure. Now, it is easy to get started. The first thing is to download the StreetBees app on your phone, then go ahead and create a Bee account, and boom, you are ready to start working. Simply choose a story and respond to the questions with enough details, and once you submit, you get paid. It is simple, just about anyone can do it, and you can maximize your earnings by becoming a StreetBees ambassador. It does take much of your time, since the tasks can be accomplished in just a few minutes. So, there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. And if you guys want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started.